Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters.
Good morning.
Happy Easter po muli sa ating lahat. And in the name once more of our Director, Monsignor Rolly, and the whole of the Manila Cathedral family, we welcome all of you, our dear Manila Cathedral family, and our dear pilgrims of hope to the Manila Cathedral as we celebrate second Sunday of Easter, or the Sunday of the Divine Mercy. Sa mga deboto, mga talagang faithful sa kanilang Divine Mercy prayer, happy feast day din po sa inyong lahat. And since it is Divine Mercy Sunday, it is good for us to reflect how it is to be a merciful person, or how are we going to live mercy. We know that Pope Francis was just buried yesterday, and we know how mercy was part of the core of his pontificate. Ano nga ba ang nasa puso ng isang maawaing tao? How does a merciful person lives? And let us use today's stories of the early Christians and Thomas as we discover how to live in mercy and how to show mercy. Madami pong gumagaling, madaming bumibilib at naniniwala ngayon sa Diyos dahil sa mga naging alagad ni Jesus. People were bringing out sick people into the streets so that they can encounter the apostles. But you know, if you were able to listen attentively, there is one simple yet profound message. Inilabas ang may sakit para kahit man lamang anino ni Pedro ang dumaan sa mga ito, bubuti ang mga may sakit. Just a simple shadow, they may all be well once more. We've heard today the story of Thomas. He was not with his brothers when the Lord appeared to them during that Easter Sunday. Kaya kinuwento nila kay Tomas nung nagkasama-sama na sila, nakita namin ang Panginoon. Totoo yung sinabi niyang mabubuhay siyang muli. Nabuhay na nga siya, Tomas. And he replied by saying, "Unless I see the marks of the nails and the wound in his side, I will not believe." Para kay Tomas, ang kwento naman ng pagkabuhay ay isa lamang kwento. Hindi ito totoo. It was just a story given or handed on to him. And my dear brothers and sisters, if we are asking how it is to be a merciful person, these stories would lead us to the answer. Not only to give a shadow, not only to tell a story, but to make true what we have received. Ang awa ng Diyos, hindi lamang anino, hindi lamang kwento, totoo ito, tao ito. It was the conviction of the apostles then that they must not only remain as shadows, but to be the real presence of these communities. Yung pagkabuhay ni Jesus, hindi lamang nanatiling kwento sa level ni Tomas, kundi nagpakita si Jesus muli sa mga alagad. Nagpakita siya kay Tomas. Para masabi ni Tomas, ang awa ng Diyos, hindi anino, hindi kwento, tao ito, totoo ito. You know, we will be hearing many people saying that they are merciful to us these coming days. And you know what I am pertaining to. Madaming magsasabi, tutulungan ko kayo, dadamayan ko kayo. No? Sama-sama tayong aangat sa buhay na ito. Mahal nila tayo, iingatan na nila tayo, ipagtatanggol nila tayo. They will guard us, they will take care of us, they will love us. But hopefully, when we hear these words, sana hindi lamang ito manatiling anino o kwento, kundi sana itong mga pagpapahayag ng awa, maging tao at maging totoo. Sana maging totoo, hindi lamang anino o kwento ang mga plataporma. Sana maging totoo ang nais at puso na maging maawaing tao. Or we might be hearing people, someone telling us, I love you, I will take care of you, I will be with you, I will support you, I will fight for you, hindi kita iiwan, pex man, mamatay man, friends tayo hanggang dulo. Pero anino at kwento lamang pala ang mga bagay na iyon. No? Susuportahan kita hanggang mag-aral ka. No? Hindi tayo mag-iiwan, walang iwanan sa relasyon na ito. Ayun, anino at kwento lamang pala iyon. No? Sana naman po yung awa natin maging tao at maging totoo, hindi anino at kwento. We have a lot of things how we can be a merciful person. We have a lot of thoughts inside us how to show mercy. At sana, ang awa sa iba, muli, wag lamang mauwi sa anino o kwento. Maging totoo ito, maging tao ito, tayo, ang kwento ng awang ito sa madaming tao. And such is the mercy of God that we celebrate. Not a mere shadow, not a mere story. A story that we've been just hearing every day. But it is true. It even became a person. And when it is also our time to show mercy in the many ways we can, huwag maging anino o kwento lamang ang awa. Gawing totoo at maging tao nawa ang awang ito sa madaming tao.